Welcome to our guide on the overview of the Docyt app for iOS. To begin, log in on the Docyt app on your mobile phone. The main icons are available on the home screen of Docyt's iOS app, Tasks. It provides a concise overview of immediate action items critical to unblocking bookkeeping processes. Dashboard. The dashboard presents essential business metrics visually. Recent. Documents that the user recently uploaded by clicking the purple plus icon at the bottom will be displayed here. Plus button. Tap the purple plus button on the app to access features such as mailroom, manual check, AP invoice, business receipt, and expense receipt. Tap the hamburger icon button to access the services menu. Mailroom. Mailroom helps users in sending documents to account managers, banking accounts. You can access bank accounts efficiently and view transactions from here. Revenue Center. You can access deposit tracking and revenue capture from this menu. Business reports. Various business reports can be accessed from this menu. Financial connections. It helps in managing financial institution accounts to which Docyt has access. Accounts payable. Users can access invoice queue, check register, payment rules, settlement items, pays, and settings from here. Receipt box. Access receipt list, merchants, vendors, expense reports. View and submit expense reports for reimbursements. And there you have it. You now have an overview of the options available in the Docyt app for iOS. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.